take this code as a reference code. What do you have to do? Input file path d:/. We have to specify the location or not there. Yeah, here what is there, guys? d:/logs/. I hope you remembered emp underscore. No one remembered the file name. emp underscore. Yeah, emp underscore app underscore log.txt. Yeah, position from the beginning. Yeah, tell me next one. dept underscore app underscore log.txt. Total 2 input files are taken or not there. Yeah, this is what say d:/log/this. Okay. dept underscore app underscore log.txt. Okay, file path. Where is this? Output opening and what? Close. This is my what? std out. Output block also having Elasticsearch. What is there? Elasticsearch. Yeah, is there coming or not there? Output block also having Elasticsearch. Yeah, only host is enough, guys. Indexing, okay, we will decide dynamically later. Yeah, host this one. So it will start writing to this one or not there. Save this. That's it. What are the inputs? These two are the input. What is the output? This is the output. This is to get the log messages on the Logstash console. This is to write the log messages to Elasticsearch. Okay, if you don't write the also, no problem. Because if you don't, printing on console is optional, but writing to Elasticsearch is what? Compulsory. Writing to Elasticsearch is what? Quite mandatory, but printing on console is definitely what? Optional activity or not there. So definitely it is going to be what? Optional activity. Okay, fine. We save this. We are simply saving this one or not there. We are simply saving this. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah. This is save button. This is save button. Okay. Now go to the folder where this file is being saved. D drive, tell me, ELK stack 1. Here is what? Logstash, bin directory. Go to the command prompt, guys. There you execute the command. Go to the command prompt, guys. There you execute the command. There you simply try to execute the command. There you simply execute the command. Yeah. Tell me how to execute the command, my dear. Yes. There must be a procedure to execute the command or not there. Yeah. Must and should. There should be a procedure to execute the command or not there, guys. Yeah. Tell me, what is the command that we have to use, guys? Yeah. Check it out. Yeah. Logstash-file name. Logstash hyphen file name. Logstash is there hyphen F file name. I think this is the file name is my choice file name. Yeah. This is hyphen F logstash hyphen jdbc.conf. Enter key. Wait for some time. We have to get the confirmation messages. We have to get the confirmation messages one by one. Yeah, it is completely showing the file names are not there. Log.txt, log.txt. It is nicely showing the file names over there are not. Yeah, definitely showing the file names. That's good. Okay. Now we have to know, we have to see the log messages in the Kibana console or not. Okay. But before seeing log messages in Kibana console, let me run both applications one more time to generate more log messages once again. Today also I want to generate what? More. Yesterday we generated some log messages. They're recorded into log file. Today also I want to generate what? More log messages. That's good. com.nt.this employees select test guys run as Java application. Run as Java application. Select test guys. com.nt.service dept select run as Java application. Yeah, that's good. ELK app1 right click run as what? Java application. ELK app2 this one right click run as what? Java application. In both places we are keeping run as a Java application and Java application are not there. So more log messages are generated, guys. That's good. That's really good news. Okay. More and more what? Log messages are what? Generated. Definitely more and more log messages are generated. Now I am trying to open Kibana console. Kibana GUI screen. Yeah, tell me. 5601. What's there, guys? 5601. Okay, fine. There is a process to go for. First, you have to create index pattern, guys. All these log messages should be identified by what? Generally, we go for timestamp property based on the time. We generally try to use what? Timestamp property for that, right? Yes. Create a dashboard by choosing what? Index name. Menu, dashboard, create dashboard, create index name, Logstash star, choose primary field, add, remove these fields. Add or remove these fields. Okay, let's see. Okay, boss. Here is what? Menu. Yeah, tell me, boss. Dashboard. Create a new dashboard. Asking to create index pattern. Now you have data in Elasticsearch. Now create what? Index pattern. Data is, log messages are there in Elasticsearch, but how you want to arrange them by default? Kibana requires an index pattern to identify which data streams, indices, index aliases you want to explore. An index pattern can point to specific index. For example, your log data from yesterday or indices contains what? Your log data. Something. Okay. Create index pattern. Some name, guys. Any name you can give. Use an asterisk to match with what? Multiple characters. Logstash star. Logstash. What is there, guys? Logstash. Use an asterisk symbol to match with this. Logstash star. Choose the primary field. Logstash star. Anything you can give, guys. There's a just name. Primary field timestamp. Based on the time, it should be identified. Create what? Index pattern. Yes, we created what? Index pattern. Okay, these are the fields that will be added in every message by default. These are the fields that are available in what? Every message by default. Are you getting my point there or not there? Say something, guys. I want reply, my dear. Everyone getting my point here or not there, guys? Yeah. What do you say, guys? This one. Okay, I don't want to add any extra field. These fields are enough, guys. Okay. Help us to improve elastics. To learn about how usage helps manage improve this one. Dismiss, no problem. So we created index pattern. That means we linked what? Elastic log messages to Kibana based on the index pattern, right? Okay. Now we have got what, guys? Discover. We have got what our discover. Fine. It's showing all the log messages or not. By default, it is showing what? Last 15 minutes log messages as a pie chart kind of. Suppose last 24 hours. Last 24 hours. Come on. How many log messages are there? 49 log messages. Okay, fine. Last 1 week. This 1 week, total 49 messages are there or not there? Last 1 hour. 1 hour. Tell me. Yeah, it's giving, I think, every 5 minutes one bar. 21 messages, 28 messages. Okay, guys. Yeah, last 1 minute. Last minute. No messages are there. Okay, that's good. Last 10 minutes, apply. Sir, why multiple bars are? Array, you observe this. Last 1 minute, what happening? 9:30, 9:31. Every minute is giving. But if I select what? Last 15 minutes. 26, 27. This also is giving 15 minutes only. Last 1 day. Last 24 hours. 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Every 3 hours it is giving me what? The word. Based on what it is generating, that matters. Based on what it is generating, that really matters, guys. Okay. So we got something to filter, right? You don't want chat box, we can remove it. Time interval. Show chat box. If you know, when you see chat box, time interval auto. Okay, auto means based on the hour we select, our option we select, time interval is decided, boss. No, I want to get in millisecond, second only. Then you can go for what? Manually. But auto is good, guys, because it is automatically adjusting based on the option we have chosen, right? It is automatically adjusting what? Based on the option we have chosen. It's better to have auto there now, my dear. Okay, this is one way, guys. Here we can select the dates and other thing. No, you can write some queries also. That is called KQL, Kibana query language. What language? By writing queries also we can filter the data. That is another advantage we are having, my dear. By writing queries also we can filter the data. That's another good part that we are having or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. Yeah, let's see. What's the thing that we are discussing, guys? Kibana query language. What language, guys? Yeah, what I want to do is Kibana query language. Check it out. Okay, there is something called message colon equal to. I want to get those messages, okay, who are having info. Who are having info. Click on update. Only info messages are coming now, guys. And that info part is highlighted or not there. That means we can write the Kibana query language like this or not there. There's another good part we are having or not there, guys. Come on. Message colon. What colon? Message. Yeah, message. I want to get, see, this is the history. What are the previous things that we selected? Okay, guys. Path this one, message info. Only from that file, I want to get this message. Not there. Okay, let me change the file name. What is the file name? emp underscore app underscore log.txt and message info. Message info. Not there, huh? It's a EMPS or EMP? File name, ra? I think file name is EMP only. D drive, what folder? Logs folder, EMP only. Mhm. And message info. Path is equal to this one. Message info. Let me try with this. At the last 24 hours we are looking for. So I will put what this week. Plus this both. This plus this both. Path colon. Message colon. Yeah, it should come now. End operator. Okay, fine. Path is equal to this update. Okay, maybe it's in double quotes, it's not worried. Huh? Okay, click on it. You encode retrieving such a result, show the error message. Okay, input white spaces, but found what? Something else. Achha, some white space is there, it seems. Click on path. Click on what? Did try. This is the story. Click on update. Expand your time range. Adjust your query. Try searching for different combinations and what terms. Path is not working, guys. Why path is not working? Path is there or not there as part of list? Yeah, just path. Filter results. Filter results that contains what? Path. That contains what? Path. Fine. So since we are fighting with path, 1 minute. KQL example on path. Yeah. Path colon star dot log. Path colon star app star. Yeah, we are doing everything that is required, but why it is not taking? Discover path colon. What is there? Star app star star app star. Hey, path colon. Very bad, guys. Why it is not allowing me to take the path? Path P small letter, capital letter, path. Array, there these many examples are there. Am I doing any mistake there? Match files containing word app. Star.txt. Okay. Path colon star.txt. Click on update. Hey, hey. What's happening? Why we are not able to search by path? But listen, remaining combinations are working or not there? Message colon, what is there? Message colon error. I want to get those where error is there. Only error messages are coming or not there. How many messages? Only 2 hits. This bar represents what? This we are able to give 1 minute. Did I kept any examples like that? Discover, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Message problem messages are coming. Timestamp. Okay, let's try with the timestamp. At the rate timestamp, now minus 10 minutes and message and what? In now minus 10 minutes. Okay. That means 10 minutes before messages only I want to get. Yeah, tell me what is there? At the rate timestamp. At the rate timestamp. What is there? Now minus 10 mm. 10 m. Okay, now minus 10 m. Only 10 minutes before messages only should come. Okay, now timestamp less than. We encountered wrong query. Yeah, what is this nonsense? Check it out. At the rate timestamp less than now minus 10 minutes and message is equal to what? Info. Operator not supported for date and month. Okay. Operator not supported, but where I kept operator not? At the rate timestamp now minus 10 minutes and message is equal to what? Operator not supported for a date. Which operator I am talking about this? No. Before 10 minutes there are no messages. Huh? No, there are messages now, guys. 1 minute. On safe side, what I do? DEPT select test, Java application. Okay, go to this place. Here also what? Employee select test. Java application. 24 hours. What is there? Message colon info. Info messages are coming. This part is working. And what is there? And at the rate timestamp. At the rate timestamp. Less than some value. Less than some value. Now minus 10M. Now minus 10M. Now minus 10M. It's version problem or we are writing wrong. Info at the rate timestamp. Info at the rate what timestamp. No, queries are right, but why it is not taking queries? There are no saved. That is only for to get the saved queries. Today only 10 minus M. Operator not supported for date match minus M. It is saying that 1 minute something is doing wrong. Okay. Click on it. No. Minus 10 is not supported. What should I write instead of minus? No gap at all. Okay. I will not give any gap. Click on this. Yeah. No space, guys. That's the problem. What is there? No space. I never thought this much sensitivity is only 7 messages. Okay. 30 minutes. No results are there. Okay, fine. 20 minutes. Yeah, before 20 minutes, some messages are there now, guys. Because in today's range, suppose if I take 1 week, this 1 week, then also this, fine. Okay, now 1800 minutes I kept. There are no records. 1800 is a big number, right? Yeah, I think you got the clarity how to work with now. Okay, guys. Now minus 120 minutes and message is equal to what? Info. So that is about what? This timestamp. Timestamp it like this is one condition. On the top of it, if you want, you can write the extra condition. On the top of it, if you want, you can write what? Extra condition. Okay, now let's go for path. Why path will not work? It should work, guys. Come on. Yeah, this is one path colon copy code. Path colon copy code. Yeah, come here, say paste, click on update. In this entire week, this is not there. APP underscore APP. APP underscore APP. Again, space problems. Okay. Yeah. Path. Yeah, we are giving correct one only. Why it is not recognizing? I don't know. Okay, let it be, guys. But at least you got ideas. There is something called KQL, but they will be applied on default condition that is given based on the data or not there. Okay. Now we are getting a single GUI screen to see all the log messages are not there. Okay. Now this is good. Are opening each file, opening each file and working with log files are good. This is definitely good or not there, guys. Okay. Fine. So what I do is you work out at home. I'll just give as what? Sample KQQL queries. Sample KQQL queries. What is there? Sample KQQL queries on different fields. On what? Different fields as a table content. Exact match. Yeah. Use case, guys. KQQL query patterns. Path, colon this. Message, colon this. Logger dot level, error. I want to get only error messages. Check it out. Okay. Search it out. Check it out. Is there any logger dot logger? Logger dot level. What is there? Info. Logger dot level info. Yeah. Logger dot level info. Just type logger dot level info, guys. Fine. I don't know why it is behaving like this. Logger dot level. Acha, log dot level. Yeah. When you give wrong key, definitely it will not work now, guys. Yeah. What is this? Log dot level. Let me check when I'm typing log, it is coming or not. Log dot level. Log dot level info. So now I understood, guys. Okay. Now, first of all, let me search the fields. Searchable any, type any. Then let me go to index pattern. What are those things? And dashboard. In dashboard, create visualization. That's fine. Yeah. What are the fields we have? Let me check that. Fields are there because we are typing so many fields, but what are the fields we got? Timestamp is there. Version is there. Okay. Empty fields. Without data, multiple fields are there. They are used fields. Meta fields are there. ID index type. So we can use only these fields. We cannot use the fields that you want. Check it out. Path is there here, guys. Not there. Without path, how we can use? That's a problem. Whatever we are experimenting, they are not coming because we need to add them as what? Extra fields. Did we add them as extra fields? No. So for example, okay, 1 minute. Now I understood the problem why they are not coming. They need to be added as a custom fields. But while creating indexer pattern, did we add those fields, guys? No. That's the reason they are not coming. Okay, go for discover, guys. Go for discover. Don't apply any conditions like this. Don't apply any condition. These are the history. That is a history. We cannot believe by history. Update. Update means so many messages came na. Okay. This represent timestamp, guys. Okay. This represent timestamp. Timestamp is there. Version is there. Host is there. Message is there. Okay. Next one. Path is there. What is there? Path. Yeah, tell me the path colon. Path is there. D colon slash log slash some content is there or not there. This is ID value. This is what? Underscore index. Index is there. Score underscore. I type is equal to what? Doc. These are the information we got, right? 1 minute. Path, path is there. Path star. I say star. update. Path star means all files coming or not there. Okay, fine. Path d colon slash logs slash emp underscore, come on, app underscore log.txt. Click on update. Click on what? Update. Expecting endr for input. Is there any way to go for it? No space. Double quotes you are seeing? Okay, now let's put double quotes also, guys. Double quote open, double quote closing. Double quote open, double quote closing. Yes, now coming. It's coming or not? See, we thought that path is having only file name, but it is taking from the beginning or not there. So that's the reason it is not able to take what? This. So mistake is from our side, right? D colon slash this. So now here we will put in, that should be their star. See, that should be their star. Right now only 28 messages because in one file. Now it should give me both the files. Okay, now this star is allowed at the beginning or what? End. This is not allowed. Okay, fine. What is there? emp underscore this dot txt. So that gives me more log messages. Okay, fine. Path this one. If I put just star, no. Only star means double quotes is not required. Okay, this gives me what? 63 messages are not there. This gives me what? 63 messages. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, d colon slash this and message colon what? Info. Click on update. Okay, this time how many messages? Only 4 messages. Message colon debug. Okay, this time how many messages, guys? 20 messages. We're able to write the conditions like this now, my dear. Come on. Yeah, path. Because in the path, what is there? It is not just storing file name. It's storing what? Multiple details. It is storing multiple details. Okay, now let me put this one also in the picture, guys. I'm just trying to give multiple differences, multiple points. emp app log.txt and what? Message colon debug. Now, I want to get from any file. Is there any chance of writing like this? Star.txt. In the middle star, it will take on no. In the middle star means it is taking that one as what? Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. Is there any chance of taking like this star.txt? Yeah. Now it is taking star.txt. Na? So when you want to use regular expressions, no quote, no double quotes. No double quotes. If you can use directly like this or not there. Okay, star.txt. This is one example. This is what? One example. Yeah. Next one is what, guys? Star.txt message is equal to this. No. I'm looking to have star app txt. Before star, after one star. See, number of messages are increasing now, guys. Number of messages are increased. Now everything is working or not there. Okay, that's what. Spend time, be patient, you will get everything. Yeah, and debug. So like this, they are looking like a simple, they are looking like what? Regular, simple. That's fine. What is indexing in what? Logstash. How indexing work? We discussed this part in yesterday's session now, my dear. Yes. Fine. Okay, that's good. I think you got the clarity, guys. How to write this one, all this stuff. Okay. Yeah, tell me. What is ELK stack? It's a combination of three tools. Okay. What are those? Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. Logstash what? Kibana. What's the difference between logging tools and what? Log monitoring. Logging tools are there to generate the log messages. Log monitoring tools are there to analyze the log messages. What's the difference between ELK stack and Log4j, SL4j? Using ELK stack, we can monitor the log messages. Using Log4j, SLF4j, we can generate the log messages. List out various log monitoring tools that are there in the market. Yeah, we are various log monitor tools that are there in market means what? Splunk, this one. What is the role of each tool in ELK stack? Elasticsearch to store the log messages. Logstash acts as a pipeline between log files and Elasticsearch. Kibana for visualization. Kibana for what? Visualizing. Why the Logstash tool is called what? Pipeline tool. Because it acts as a bridge between log files and Elasticsearch. What is indexing in ELK stack? A logical memory in what? Elasticsearch where messages will be stored. Explain various components of what? Logstash configuration file. Generally, we deal with what? Inputs and what? Outputs. How to make Elasticsearch server with what? Kibana server by uncommenting one message in kibana.yml. What is QQL? Kibana query language. It's a query language where we can apply more filters on log messages. List out all the fields that can be used in what? KQL queries. Path, at the rate, timestamp, at the rate, version, all this stuff. List out all the fields that can be used in what? Indexing. List out all the fields that can be used in what? Indexing. We have to think about going for indexing or not there. List out all the fields that can be used in what? Indexing. Okay, generally we try to work with what? Timestamping a lot. Okay, indexing or index pattern, guys. Indexing or what is there? Index pattern. Indexing or what? Index pattern. Comfortable, guys? Right. Yeah, I just want to check some more possibilities by taking the support of ChatGPT. What are